Hey there. Now stop what you're doing for just a second and think about this. What if the biggest problem with your affiliate marketing isn't the products you're choosing, but the people you're trying to sell them to? And what if you could get these same people excited to buy from you before they even know what you're selling? Sounds impossible? Well, most people think so, but there is a way to do affiliate marketing that makes people choose you instead of your competition. But to do that, you need to be playing an entirely different game. You see, what happens with old school affiliate marketing is you pick a product to promote, and then you find out you're competing with thousands of other people, all trying to sell the exact same thing, the exact same way, to the exact same people. And you're all trying to convince these people to buy something that they're not interested in and they don't really want. And it's then that you realise you're playing a game you can't win, because there's too much competition. In fact, McKinsey and Company did a study that proved that the old way of doing business isn't just ineffective anymore, it's actually driving customers away. Because people are tired of seeing the same old sales pitch from dozens of different affiliates. So, the better way to do this is to do it in a way where the competition doesn't matter. And it's all explained in the Diametric Wealth Program. It's relationship first marketing. And here's how it works. Instead of trying to sell to strangers straight away, you'll build relationships first with people who actually want what you offer. You'll gain their trust before you even mention a product, and then when you do recommend something, they're ready to buy from you. Not from your competitors, but from you. Because people always want to buy from people they trust. And because of that, now they won't compare you to other affiliates. Now they'll just buy what you recommend. And if you think about it, companies like Apple do this. They never compete on price. They never worry about competitors. People trust them because they trust that Apple will deliver quality and innovation. And because they've built that trust, customers chase Apple. They're ready to buy before Apple even starts selling. A lot of those people are not exactly sure what they're going to be buying. They just know they have to have it, regardless of the price. And that's the principle of relationship first marketing. You'll build a relationship first, and then when people know you and they trust you, then they'll be ready to buy from you. But here's the best part. Although Apple took decades to build that kind of trust, this system shows you how to do it, but much faster. In fact, people will start trusting you almost immediately. And we're talking days here, not months or even years. And that's because trust comes from how you help people and not how long you've been around. And here's what makes this even better. In the Diametric Wealth Program, there's a marketplace with thousands of products that you can promote in all different categories. Some that pay up to 75% commissions. And we're talking about products that sell for hundreds of dollars here. So while other affiliates are promoting products to strangers, you'll be promoting stuff that's already selling really well to people who trust you and are ready to buy from you. Now look, I can't promise that this will work for everyone, but if you're tired of competing and if you want something sustainable, I've put together a free presentation that shows how the Diametric Wealth Program works. Now, the presentation is free and you're under no obligation or pressure to do anything. You can watch it, take what's useful, and then it's up to you to decide whether to carry on. But I should warn you, this will get closed once too many people know about it. So, if you want to know how to make your competition completely irrelevant, then may I suggest you take a real serious look at how to do this before your competitors do. So just click the link below and go check out the Diametric Wealth Program today.